Ian here. In this video I'm going to show you a quick way in Captivate how to swap an image to a different image and ensure that the new image is in the same position and size as the previous image. So I'm going to click on the image that I want to change. I'll come over to the name of the image here in the properties, which is Stone Circle 2. So I'll click there. And here on the right are all the images in my library. So I'm going to swap it over to stonehenge.jpg. If you don't see the image you want, you can click on the import button and navigate to the image that you do want. And then we'll click OK. And then Captivate will put the new image into the same position, scale it up if needs be, but it won't distort the image. It won't stretch it out of proportions. So I hope you found the video useful. Thank you for watching.